Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Fog. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Fog shoes, and this pair is in the men's UK size 9, US size 10, Euro size 44, and it's in the women's US size 11.5, and this pair is in the black, cool grey colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. And let's peel back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Fog shoes. And let's lift out the left shoe first and focus on it. And giving you a 360 rotation so you have a full and clear view of the shoe. And just setting the box to the side as we focus on the left shoe first. So taking a look at the left shoe of the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Fog in the black, cool grey colourway. And taking some close-up looks at the shoe and its details. So you can see the shoe has a majority black colour, and taking a look from the back to give you some idea of the shape and of course silhouette of the shoe, and taking a look at the inner side, and we can see that the Nike swoosh is in the cool grey colourway. And taking a look from the front to the back, or tip or toe of the shoe, and moving slowly towards the back. And with the tongue, we can see that it is very thickly padded. So giving you a look from the side or profile of the shoe, you can see just how thick that tongue padding is. Extremely thick, but very plush at the same time. So giving you some sense of that padding on the inside of the tongue. And taking a look at the ankle and heel collar of the shoe. Also very densely padded, as you can see just how thick that padding is. And towards the heel, it's slightly thinner but still very thick overall, especially at the sides where the ankles are. And let's pull out the stuffing inside and take a look inside the shoe. So giving you a clearer look inside of this Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Fog. And just pulling the laces out and to the side so you have a clearer look in the shoe. And we can see that the sock liner or insole does advertise the Nike SB with the Zoom Air. So it does have a Zoom Air heel unit for cushioning and impact absorption. And just taking a look at the inner labels as well. And the overall lining. And once again, just giving you a sense of that padding around the ankle and heel collar and the tongue as well, with the very thick padding So taking a further out look for some scale and perspective. And closer in look at the heel, we can see the embroidery with the Nike text and the overall suede details and the nap of that suede right throughout the black parts of the upper cover. So giving you some sense of the suede, very soft with a fine nap to it. And we can see that the toe box is perforated. So giving you some sense of the textures and surfaces of this Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Fog. And now let's take a look at the bottom or sole of the shoe. You can see that it does have a bright gum or beige color. And with the black midsection with the Nike SB branding molded to it. And towards the back or heel area, there is the Nike Zoom Air unit in it. So we're giving you a look overall at the outsole of the shoe. And of course giving you some sense of the rubber of the sole. And of course the firmness or softness of its design. So just dragging my finger along that material. And now let's do a flexibility, bendability, and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the firmness or stiffness of the shoe. And now let's take a look at the right shoe. So setting the left shoe down and to the side as we bring the shoebox back in view or back in frame, and peeling back the wrapping paper once again, and this time revealing the right shoe. And just try my best here to shut the box lid down. So once again, we have the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Fog, but this time looking at the right shoe. So giving you a look at the right shoe, and let's do a 360 rotation with the right shoe as well. So you can see that it does have that same design with the black, black, black colorway. And of course with that fine nap of the suede upper cover and the cool grey Nike swoosh. And that cool grey Nike logo embroidered to the heel. So taking an overall look at the shoe, and of course once again at its very, very thickly padded tongue, and we can see that there are a spare set of laces in grey for contrast, so that grey matching the cool grey along with the rest of the accents of the shoe. And once again we see that Nike insole or sock liner with the Zoom Air text. And just tucking the laces back in and tidying the tongue. Just so we have a neater look at the shoe. And now let's take a look at the pair together. Side by side, the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Fog. And from the front to the back, showing you all the details up close. Of the shoe, and from the back as well. And of course the bottoms or soles of the shoe. So they do have a symmetrical design. So that's the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Fog. Thanks for watching and happy skateboarding!